In the age of artificial intelligence, new perspectives arise for efficient future urban mobility solutions. Autonomous vehicles will appear to take traffic management to a new level, but nobody knows how exactly autonomous traffic will change the traffic flow of tomorrow. Answers are given by the research project Audi 25th Hour Flow. Here Audi is partnering with the traffic experts of the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology and the Munich consultancy Mobility Partners. The researchers simulated what happens when automated driving becomes more widespread.
Technical developments like automated vehicles are only one driver of change. And the other driver of change in mobility that we always observe is change in society. Changes in behavior, young people driving cars less, more sharing. And we have tried to gather many of these aspects, and from that to paint an overall picture of what typical traffic could look like in the future.
The researchers took Ingolstadt as an example. This South German city, which hosts Audi's headquarters with its 140,000 residents, is ideally suited as a laboratory, as traffic here has 4 wheels. For historical reasons, there are many automobiles and buses here, but no subway or trams. These conditions apply in many medium-sized cities in different countries. The researchers created different scenarios to investigate how autonomous driving affects future traffic flow.
When we look at automation, then to begin with, automated traffic gives us gains in capacity on the road and at intersections. We get a bigger throughput of cars. But we also have the effect from automated driving that people are traveling by car who might not have done so before. This means that more traffic is added, which makes things worse. However, in these scenarios, we also saw that it's possible to apply the gains from autonomous driving so that the overall situation improves. To do that, we also need a few non-technical effects. For example, we have to raise the occupancy rate, either through sharing, if that becomes more popular, or through the traditional way of sharing, normal public transportation.
If this occupancy rate, which describes the average number of persons per car, rises moderately from 1.1 persons today to 1.3 in the future, because more people share a car, there is no more congestion during the rush hour. As proven by the study, in a fully automated network traffic system, travel times could be reduced by 1/3, even though over 10% more people are on the road. These results are of high relevance to Audi. Mobility concepts and services are being developed today, but in the future, they must blend smartly and efficiently with changing mobility systems. Audi is already developing these innovative concepts and services like Audi On Demand, or traffic light information, and the autonomous Audi Icon. Audi's vision of autonomous driving. The results of the study have given us further encouragement to continue and to invest in this technology, because we've seen that, especially in combination with other factors, people's lives in cities can be improved. This is a great motivation for us to go ahead with our work.